Whoa, I just got my eXcelius electronic subscription from Columbus Micro. I like to call it my electronic mystery box because I have no idea what's inside. I do know this though, it's tech that has been recycled and it's not in a landfill somewhere. So yeah, keep it here if you want to see what's inside. I know I can't wait. For over 30 years, Columbus Micro has been in the computer business with education products, desktops, medical PCs, and servers with sales and service. So they know what it means to recycle or e-cycle outdated or want computer parts from people that may not have known how to upgrade or repair their own stuff. So instead of all that electronic goodness getting tossed into landfills where toxic materials seep into our drinking water or even harm wildlife, Columbus Micro had a fantastic idea. Introducing the eXcelius electronic recycled subscription, where every box contains recycled electronics materials every month. Spend time tinkering with these electronics. These boxes include recycled hard drives, RAM sticks, phones, CPUs, fans, and much more. The subscription is $29, but each box has a value of $50 or more. Okay, I can't wait any longer. What's in my box? Oh wow, what a great box of parts. I know I have a use for each and every item, and SSD is about $30 value alone. This is definitely a great deal for the curious tinkerer. Links will be in the description, so stay safe. And thanks Jake from Columbus Micro, and thank you if you watched this.